Hello. Today I am demonstrating how to add and edit dehumidification readings. This form is used to log dehumidification readings every time a project or job is initiated and/or monitored. First and foremost, ensure that the desired customer is selected in the customer data grid. Next, click the Readings button. To add a new reading, click the Add Readings button. If you added one or more areas in the Areas module, those areas will be populated in the section drop-down list. You may select the desired area from the drop-down list or simply type in a new name in the section drop-down box. Fill in any or all of the remaining fields and click OK to save and exit. To edit an existing reading record, click the Readings button to load the Readings form. Right-click on the desired record and click the Edit Record option. After the Readings input form loads, make the desired changes and click OK to save and close. To view, print, or to export the drawing log as a PDF file, Excel spreadsheet, or Word document, click the Print Drawing Log button. And that concludes this short tutorial, and thanks for watching.